Jackson, you cheated.
He's actually touching the tree. I know.
You're such a weirdo. Hit the other side.
Don't give up. It's all about endurance. It's endurance. Kyle, you guys aren't touching the fences. Jackson, go.
Restart.
Go. Go. Jackson, go.
We need to restart.
Go, Jackson. On your marks. Get set.
Here, this one fell off. You want it? There's a little chart on the end.
Guys, we need to restart.
Jackson's the only one that touched the tree and the fence.
Falling asleep very quickly.
All right.
We need to restart.
On your marks.
I'm not letting.
You need to touch the tree.
Get set. Go. Go. Jackson, just keep up.
Jackson, I thought you were faster than that. Oh no. What are you crying for? There's no crying and racing.
No, you're not allowed to cry when you're a track player.
Get up. Get up. Shake it off. Go. 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 Run. Go. You got this. Hey, Kyle and Caitlin, give him a minute. Go. Kyle and Caitlin, give him a sec. Let him get ahead.
Go.
Give him a second. Go.
Jackson,
We all know the truth.
Hey, we know the truth. Let him go. 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 Kyle and Caitlin, behind him. Go.
Go.
Give him a chance. Uh-oh. Jackson, you're winning. Go. Jackson, you're winning. Uh-oh. Jackson, you're winning. Go.
Playing the game.
Jackson.
Go. Go, you're winning.
Jackson, go. He's gonna be worried. Go.
Go. Go. Go.
Go.
Go. Go. Go. Go.
Woo!
We're still going.
Good job, guys.
Why is it only Jackson?